Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2006 Mazda 3 SP23 Luxury Pack, stock reference number 5633. The shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand side skirt. Left front door has no damage, left rear door has rust on the B-pillar frame. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage, spoiler type. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right hand side skirt. Right rear door has 2 small dents and also rust. Right front door has a 5-inch fold on the rear edge and 1 large dent and a small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic console, automatic gearbox, gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.